اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. When you come Bibi Zainab from Karbala to Damascus, Bibi Zainab he come from this way. His name Ain al-Tamar. His one road from Karbala to to sorry to Damascus. He come from this road. He's sleeping here one night. See, when come this قدم feet baby one. Okay, see, another one that I don't know. This okay, he's sleeping here. Another one here and here. قدم one قدم here, one قدم here, one قدم here. Okay. And قدم Bibi Zainab, he's here inside that. And first time I come here. This is one. And this one. Many here, all here. All here. See, this is one. And that one. On this. He's sleeping one night here. Everywhere. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. This I come for زيارة here. اللهم صل على محمد. This is مقام زين العابدين.
والشبه الحسين.